All right, let him out.
Unleash the fury! Okay, let's go!
Oh! Oh!
Shiloh, run! Now, how are you going to get him to pick up the scent?
Well, they have to calm down for a second, but...
Yeah, right. Good luck with that.
Yeah, Sealy picked it up already.
Go to Bella. Bella got one.
Good girl, Bella.
Sealy got one.
Go to Bella.
Sealy.
Woohoo!
Come on, Shiloh.
Come on, Shiloh. Where is it?
And Sealy's chowing down behind you.
Shiloh, take a right.
Sealy found his.
He's over there picking.
Bella's taking a crap.
I'm not picking that up.
Needed that.
Say hi to my sister. Say hi, Ree.
Hey, sis.
And tell her who you are.
Steven, the weirdo.
Shiloh, I have no sister!
Stella just pooped.